I felt quite tired after a day's work, but now I feel really relaxed and feel as if I have stretched my muscles and then relaxed at the end. So yes, it's both mind and body. I've recommended it to people at work and all my family members. Yeah. The reason why I first started with the class was because I had a problem in my ear. I've got a growth in my ear, acoustic neuroma, which sometimes knocks me off my balance, but I feel now, I've attended Katie's class for quite some years, that I am, it has actually, I've overcome sort of fears of being sort of knocked off balance or anything like that, so that helps me. And also in my mind, I think it's really relaxed me and helped me through one or two problems that I've had over the last couple of years.